Excuse me, teacher. I don't know anything about arsenic. Can you teach me?
I'd love to! This class is arsenic. It has an atomic number of 33 and an atomic mass of 74.922.
Arsenic's electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2, 3d10, 4s2, 4p3. The atomic radius of arsenic is 1.25. Arsenic by itself likes to form the tetrahedral molecule As4, in which each arsenic is bound to the other three covalently by sharing electrons.
Be careful, kids, because arsenic is very poisonous. It's also dangerous and used for stuff like rat poison and insecticides.
Arsenic is a yellowish gas that condenses to a yellow, waxy solid with a density of about 2.0 G/cc. Yellow arsenic is not reasonably stable. The gas has a characteristic garlic-like odor, so it smells pretty bad.
So kids, arsenic has one stable isotope and a specific heat of 0.0822. Upon heating arsenic in some minerals containing arsenic, it sublimes, which means it transfers from a solid to a gaseous state without passing through a liquid state.
Arsenic has a valence of -3, 0, 3, or +5. Arsenic is classified as semi-metallic. Arsenic is used as doping agent in solid-state devices. Gallium arsenide is used in lasers, which convert electricity into coherent light. Paul Ehrlich, the bacteriologist, received the Nobel Prize in Medicine for 1908. In 1909, he announced the arsenic compound that was known as salvarsan. This was phenol to which an arsenic atom had been added opposite to the OH and an amine group NH2 next to the OH, whose systematic name was arsenamide. It was usually accompanied by HCl to make it more soluble. This molecule is small enough to get past the intestines and into the bloodstream, where it played havoc with the treponema. Arsenic was used to treat diseases such as syphilis. Because it was also quite toxic, as we said before, it had to be administered in small doses, of course, over a considerable period, which made therapy inconvenient. It was, however, quite effective and relieved great amounts of suffering, which is good, but considering it's kind of poisonous, around 1943 it was finally circumvented by penicillin, so no more poison.
Arsenic is defined as a highly poisonous metallic element having three allotropic forms, yellow, black, and gray, of which the brittle crystalline gray is the most common.
Wow, arsenic's amazing! I'm so glad you taught me all about arsenic. It's so interesting. Thank you, teacher!
You, sir, are very welcome. And be careful, kids, because arsenic is used in stuff like insecticides and
Insecticides.
Not intesticides. Be careful, kids, because arsenic is very
Paul Ehrlich. Kidding.